Hello everyone and welcome to Sound Codex. In this video I'll show you how to apply a reverb inside a selected zone of your video game. Move to Place Actors and search for Audio Volume. Drag and drop it in the viewport and make sure that it has the same size and shape of the building or the selected area in which you want the reverb to be applied. I have already done it, so I can show you my audio volume. Once you have placed it, move to the Detail panel, and under Reverb Effect you can click in the drop-down menu to select the perfect reverb for your scene. I decided to use a large hall reverb. Once you've done, select Apply Reverb. The sound I want to affect is inside the building, and it plays throughout this ambient sound. We can have a listen. It is a violin playing. Now we can listen the same audio file but played throughout the game. Now, what if we want to have more control over the reverb? Let's select the audio volume, then double-click on the red icon, and here you have all the common parameters of reverb, such as early and late reflection, decay time, density, diffusion, gain. Now it's up to you to tweak these parameters to shape the best reverb for your game. With that said, thanks for watching and see you in the next one.